August 31, 2020, 8:56 p.m. Indian Railways solarises more than 960 stations in order to achieve its objective of becoming 100% self-sustainable for all its power needs. Indian Railways has solarized more than 960 stations till date. Orders have been placed for 198 MW solar rooftop capacity for 550 stations which are under execution. This will contribute to national solar power needs. Some of the stations solarized are Varanasi, New Delhi, Old Delhi, and Jaipur, Secunderabad, Kolkata, Guwahati, Hyderabad, and Howrah. Railways and recently organized a meet of leading solar power developers who had shared their expectations of being partners in the journey of Indian Railways to become net zero carbon emitter before 2030. Indian Railways is set to produce solar energy for meeting all its energy consumption needs of more than 33 billion units by 2030. Current annual requirement is about 20 billion units. Indian Railways has a mega plan for installing solar plants of 20 GW capacity by utilizing its vacant land by 2030. About 51,000 hectare vacant land available with Indian Railways and is now ready to extend all support to the developers for installing solar power plants on Railways vacant unencroached land. Railways is also set to achieve 100% electrification by the year 2023. The Ministry of Railways said it is committed to utilize solar energy to become a complete green mode of transportation.